In this video, you're going to learn how to disable precompiled headers. Precompiled headers are, in general, a good thing. They make your compiles go much faster. However, Visual Studio Code leaves these precompiled headers on your disk. There's no easy way to clean them up, and they can take up hundreds of megabytes. So we'll have you just disable the feature completely. With Visual Studio Code open, you're going to bring up the settings, and you want the user settings. Notice the word user is highlighted. The panel is brought up by hitting Command comma or Control comma on Windows. Type in Precompa, and you see that I didn't even have to type in the whole thing, and you'll see that there is an IntelliSense cache size. Set that to 0, and then close the settings.